Yeah, then comes this question, still grade 9 natural science question. It says that iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide. Iron oxide is also referred to as rust. And here we say, name 3 ways iron can be made to rust faster. So what are ways in which rusting of iron can be easily facilitated? Okay, the first one is exposing iron to water. Okay, 2, exposing iron to acids. 3, exposing iron to salts. These are some of the 3 ways rusting can be encouraged. So then comes this question. It says that the equation below shows the reaction for rusting. Okay? And they say write the word equation for the reaction. Okay? So what is the word equation for that reaction? We are having iron plus oxygen giving you iron oxide. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that what is another name for iron oxide? Okay, another name is what we call rust. So rust is iron oxide. Yeah. Then comes this one, says give any 4 ways of preventing of rusting. Okay, how can we prevent rusting? 1, you can prevent it by painting. Yeah, when you paint, you protect the inner metal from exposure to oxygen and water. Okay, another one is electroplating. Yes, this is the coating of a metal with a thin layer of another metal which is resistant to rusting. Another one is galvanizing. Yeah, that one also protects the metal from exposure to water. Then lastly, we can say oiling and greasing. Yeah, both these ones have a tendency to protect water from accessing the metal. Yeah, then comes this one. It says that briefly explain why it's advisable to use wooden window and door frames near the sea. Why is it advisable? Here the answer is that near the sea where water is salty, salt can easily cause rusting in metals. So that's why it's advisable to use wood which does not rust. So that is it. Yeah, then comes this question. Identify any other metal which can be used for door and window frames near the sea. We have to remember that sea is associated with the salt water, and we saw that salt accelerates rusting. Okay, but which metal can we use if we don't opt for wooden material? The metal is aluminium. Okay, so if you don't go for wooden frames, you can go for aluminium frames. Why? The reason is that aluminium does not rust. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And we have to tell you that PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, specializes in physical sciences grade 12, 11, and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. Okay, we advise you to make use of our playlist so that you can access easily the material which belongs to your level. With that, I can say bye-bye. Stay with us. We are the best. See you then.